Let's multiply fractions by whole numbers. Take a look at this example. Here we have a whole number being multiplied by a fraction. The whole number is 4, so we are taking 4 copies of this fraction. The fraction is 2/3, so after multiplying by 4, we want to know how many thirds there are in all. First, we'll multiply the whole number 4 by the numerator of our fraction, 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. Next, what should our denominator be? Because we're finding out how many thirds we have in all, we keep the same denominator as our original fraction. The denominator of 2/3 is 3, so our answer is 8/3. Excellent. Now, why do these steps work? You can think of this problem as repeated addition. So 4 times 2/3 is the same as adding 4 copies of 2/3. These fractions all have like denominators, so we can add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 8, giving us 8/3. So 4 times 2/3 equals 8/3. 8/3 is the correct answer, but this is a fraction greater than 1. Let's change this fraction into a mixed number for our final answer. Remember, 3/3 is the same as 1 whole, which means there are 6/3 in 2 wholes. So 8/3 as a mixed number is 2 and 2/3. Great, let's try one more. This time we'll multiply 10 by 3/5. Our whole number is 10, and the numerator in our fraction is 3. So we'll multiply 10 by 3, which equals 30. Our denominator is 5, so our answer is 30/5. So 10 times 3/5 equals 30/5. We can write this answer in a simpler way. If we divide 30 by 5, we'll see how many wholes are in 30/5. 5 goes into 30 6 times, so 30/5 equals 6. Great work! Time to multiply fractions by whole numbers on your own. That was fun.